Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is joynwabatv. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. If today is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. And if you are my old friend, thank you so much for always coming back. In my previous videos, I showed you how I buy my grapes cheap. And in today's video, I want to show you how I wash them up with salt to kill the bacteria. Grapes are one of the dirtiest fruits, and before we eat them, we need to wash them thoroughly because of the pesticide that could be in them. I hope you will enjoy this video. Just keep watching. Thank you. Okay, this is how I wash my grapes. Right now, I am simply plucking them from the stem, but this is not necessary. I do this only for the few that I know we can finish that day, because if I pluck them and we don't finish it that day, the next day it looks irritating. So I'm only cutting and plucking. This is not necessary, like I've said earlier. But the reason why I do this again is because it helps me to get to all of them. It helps me to wash them up well. Okay, so while I'm doing this, I will also be softening for the bad ones and taking them away. As you can see, this is my first wash. So after this, I'm going to take it over to the other side. Okay, I am still softening for the bad ones, and if I find any, voila, I will take it away. Yeah, it really takes some time to take the bad ones away, but it really pays, because it looks somehow after you might have finished washing them up, only for you to serve yourself some beautiful grapes on the plate and you find the bad ones. Oh no. So just take your time, okay, and get them off once and for all. Yes. Okay, so now that I have finished washing it for the first time and taking off the bad ones, so I will go ahead and rinse my bowl and pour it over to the other side, and also rinse this one again to get them ready for the second step. Okay, now that I have it back inside my bowl, I will then add my salt. Look at, you have to be generous. Yes, you really have to be generous with the salt, okay, for it to do the work. Yeah, I'm trying to soak it in there, and after soaking it there, I will leave it in there for 5 minutes. Just try as much as you can to just soak them in there very well. Okay, yeah, let it be covered. So just take your time, take your time. Yeah, so I'm going to leave it in there for 5 minutes and then I'll be back. We put grapes in salt water to clean it, as the saline solution helps in cleaning the germs and the surface pesticide, and this renders the fruit safe for consumption. Guys, instead of salt, you can as well use white apple cider vinegar to do this. Okay, it does the same work. Now the 5 minutes is up, so the next thing to do is to wash this off very well. Okay, the reason for the salt is not to give the grapes taste, no, it's just for it to kill the pesticides that could be in it. So, and what we did, we used salt. I used salt, okay, to do this. And like I said earlier, you can as well use white apple cider vinegar. Just keep washing it. I washed this off like 5 times, okay, because you don't want the taste of salt on your grapes. No, okay, what you want is the natural taste. Okay, just keep watching it. I'll wash and I will rinse it to make sure that I rinse it very well. Yeah, while I'm washing, I'm rinsing, I am still looking out for the bad ones because I hate it. After washing my grapes, I will still see the bad ones. Oh no, I don't like that. And I know you don't want that too. So I take my time to solve, to look out for the bad ones. Yes. I am squeezing, but not too hard. I'm just washing it, you know. I don't know how I can explain that, but I am washing it not too hard. Okay. Yeah. I hope you are enjoying this video. Look at my grapes. I like it when it's like this for today. Just look at that. Yes, that's just how I like it. But if we don't finish this today, by tomorrow or next tomorrow, it's going to look somehow. I don't know if you have noticed, it's going to look somehow. Can I say it looks irritating? And I don't want that. So for me to plug, I only plug the ones I know we can finish for that day or the next day. Okay, that is why I also use the scissors to cut. Grapes are packed with nutrients, especially vitamin C and K. Impressively, grapes are beneficial for heart health. Eating grapes may protect against chronic health conditions such as diabetes, cancer, and heart diseases. You can easily incorporate your grapes into a healthy diet. And here are a few ways you can enjoy them. You can eat grapes plain as a snack. You can also use it in a fruit salad or add it into a vegetable or a chicken salad. You can also add grapes to a smoothie. These are just to mention the few. The benefits of grapes are much and amazing. Even at this point, I am still sorting the bad ones to make sure I get the best out of it. Grapes are usually like that, so it is not bad when you see any bad one in it. It is naturally okay. Finally, this is my last rinse. Yes. And can you please let me know how you wash your grapes? Please leave your comments at the comment section, okay? Thank you very much. Oh yes, guys, here is the grapes. Fresh and ready to be eaten. Yes. Okay guys, that will be all from me today. If this video was really helpful, make sure you share with your family and friends and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications to enable you know when next I upload new videos. And also leave your suggestion on the comment section on what you'd like to see in my YouTube videos and what topic you would like me to cover, and I will see you all in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye.